on our YouTube. This is a short unboxing of the Saint Martin, or Saint Martin if you want, 62MAS Homage. Figured that I would probably never get the real thing, which is the SLA 017, so decided just to go for the Saint Martin, which is said to be of very high quality. Let us see how it is. So we got a resizing tool here, very nice. We got another strap, waffle strap, with the spring bar removal tool, nice. And let's get the box itself opened. Nice branding. Saint Martin. Okay, that's nice. It's a nice box. Nice branding for the whole shebang. So let us unbox it. Let us open it. Nice packaging. And there it is. Nice, that's very nice. Wow. As someone who has seen the SLA 017 in person and wore it, this one is pretty similar, I must say. Let's get some of the nylons off. I gotta say, very nice packaging, very professional. You have spring bars, you have a warranty card, you have a little booklet. Very impressive overall. I know these are made in China, and maybe they come from the same factory as Parnis, etc., but I don't know. I regard Saint Martin as a micro brand. I've only read that there's lots of quality in their watches, and I'm gonna find out myself soon, I guess, but to me it seems like a micro brand for all matters considered. Let's get this wrapping off. So there you have it, Saint Martin. Gotta say, feels very high quality in the holding it in my hand. It's got a good heft to it. Feels very high quality. Let's wind it a little, see how it works. Yeah, so it has the NH35 Seiko movement, hacking. Let's wind it a little. Bezel action. I've read and saw on YouTube that people have complained about it. I don't know exactly. Maybe I understand a little. It's not that easy to turn, but it's not that big of an issue. But different opinions. Seems to line up correctly. Let's see how it wears on the wrist. I have a around 7-inch wrist. Of course the watch isn't resized, so really can't tell. Yeah, it's nice. It wears nice. Yeah, it wears very nice. I really like the dimensions. It's 40 millimeters diameter and 48 millimeters lug to lug. Yeah, I'm happy. It's not resized, but I'll resize it soon. But gotta say, the bracelet feels very, very high quality. Very high quality. There's drilled lugs. The bezel is ceramic and it's loomed. And yeah, let's see the loom, of course. Just a sec. Well, that's impressive. That's really impressive. That's really impressive. I'd say that it's not Seiko level, but it's not far from there. It lights up really nice in the dark, and wow. And the bezel is also very nicely lit. Nice, very nice. Let's look at the clasp. So the clasp is the milled clasp. Very nice operation. You have 6 micro adjustment holes, and the operation is very smooth. Maybe it's a little, there's still some nylon paper there, so I gotta remove it, but overall very, very impressed. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm gonna wear this one out, see how what are my impressions for the longer term, and perhaps I'll do another video about it. So as always, thanks for watching and have a nice day.